Hello everyone, good day. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng certificate using Photoshop CS6. And I hope that this video will be very helpful to you. Please click subscribe button if you like this video. Thank you. Dapat naka-install ng Photoshop ang inyong computer or laptop before starting this activity. And of course, you need to watch the first video I made, basic functions of Photoshop tools. So, yung palagi natin ginagamit kapag gumagawa tayo ng certificate layout at saka tarpaulin, nandoon sa link, pakiclick yung link na nasa description sa baba. Thank you. Kuha tayo ng picture. 3 picture will do. Okay, dapat meron din tayong logo. Open. Click open. Okay, so kung merong picture na hindi siya mag-open, balikan lang natin ulit yung folder and then i-click ulit natin yung picture na gusto nating isama doon sa ating certificate para masama din siya sa pag-edit. Okay, so click rectangular marquee tool para ma-delete yung mga hindi kailangan ng mga text. So we can use the rectangular marquee tool to delete any object or text na hindi naman kailangan. Okay, and then click magic eraser tool. So, na-discuss ko na rin tong magic eraser tool doon sa link. Okay, so ito yung function ng magic eraser tool and yon. Then, click apply or move tool, then drag lang sa ating, yung sa isa natin na image. Okay, so yun ang ating, this image is ito yung pinaka base natin. Ang border naman natin ay this one, yung parang may diamond, triangle na gold and green. Okay, so using the navigator, tingnan natin kung okay na. So that's the purpose of navigator. So makita natin yung kabuuan. Click horizontal type tool or yung letter T. Diyan merong T, so click yan para sulat ka ng any text na gusto mo. But for this is certificate of recognition. Click colors lang dyan sa ibabaw and then you can actually i-move mo lang using the move tool. So nakita yan, that's the move tool. FX, click FX and then stroke. Sa stroke, meron siyang size. Pwede 5, 3, 10. But for this, ang size na ating gagamitin ay only 3 that will do. Okay, and then i-move na lang natin. Next is hanapin natin yung logo. Kasi hindi ma-kompleto yung certificate kung walang logo. Okay, magic eraser tool. And then drag lang natin yung logo. Okay, after natin ma-drag yung logo sa ating base, i-crop natin siya. Okay, and then i-move using the move tool and then click apply afterwards. Okay, so depende sa inyo kung saan nyo ilagay yung logo or kung ano yung gusto ninyo na forma ng logo. As long as you use the Photoshop tool properly, that's fine. Save as PSD for this para ma-edit later on, but save natin siya into JPEG format. Okay, sa downloads natin ilagay, lagyan natin ng file name. File name is, let's try certificate or 31. Okay, so we have that. Then, okay. Yun, na-save na siya sa downloads. Okay, tingnan natin. File open. Kung nandoon talaga sa downloads. Yan, naka-save na siya. Pwede nating open yan, yung original kanina. Okay, so yan yung ating nagawa kanina.